Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a coordinate related chapter, polar coordinate. The problem is find the directrix of the conic r sine square theta by 2 equals to 1. Okay, first of all we have to convert this equation into its standard form, multiplying the relation r sine square theta by 2 equals to 1 by 2. As we know that 2 sine square theta by 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. Therefore 2 by r 1 minus cos theta. As we know that in case of a conic like L by r equals to 1 minus e cos theta, equation of directrix is L by r equal to minus e cos theta. As the conic is L by r equal to 1 plus e cos theta, then equation of directrix will be L by r equal to plus e cos theta. Therefore, the equation of directrix in case of this conic is equation of the directrix 2 by r equal to minus cos theta. Okay, very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.